Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to demo the new Shapeshift interface using the KeepKey wallet. So let's get started. Alright, so Shapeshift has a new beta platform and they've invited me to test it out. They also were kind enough to send me a KeepKey cold wallet, which I already have set up. So I'm going to check into those emails that they sent me with my invite code and get started and show you how this works. All right. So I've got my code. I'm going to log into the beta. All right. So I had done this earlier, so it didn't ask me for the code this time. So I'm just going to pair up my KeepKey. I have my KeepKey device connected and ready to go. All right, it apparently sees it here. So I've selected it and I'm going to hit connect. I'm getting a little bit of reflection there. That's kind of a cool reflection anyway. All right, so I'll hit connect. There. And so the device is showing me the PIN code configuration. So I'll just enter that here based on the numbers that I see on my device. All right, and there we go. All right, so the KeepKey is connected and I'm logged in, and there was a balance that I had put in there earlier. A little bit of Litecoin, a little bit of Bitcoin. So let's see if we can check that out over here under Assets. So there you can see I have 0.003 Bitcoin in here, which is around $26. And then I do have a little bit of Litecoin in here as well, about $35 worth of Litecoin. And so here's the new interface. It's pretty cool. A lot different than the older one. A little more user-friendly, clearer as to what's going on. So if we want to make a trade, we can sort of trade within the wallet. So in other words, I could simply tell it I want to convert from Bitcoin to Litecoin within the same wallet. Let's give that one a try. All right, it even has the history of my Bitcoin transactions, right? So I can go here to trade. All right, so it looks like I have the minimum amount of Bitcoin. So I'm going to send this Bitcoin to a Litecoin address. Let's pull this down here. And we'll just kind of see what a wallet-to-wallet transaction is going to look like. So I'm going to send about half the Bitcoin that I have and trade it for Litecoin. As you can see there, I'm sending about $13 worth of Bitcoin, and I'm going to receive a little less than that in Litecoin. And as you can see here, there's going to be a minor fee on the network. It's a bit small. You probably wouldn't want to fiddle around with amounts this small, but I'm just demoing it out. You might want to be trading more than this. All right. All right, so let's hit trade. And it should show up on the device here. All right, it wants me to sign the transaction. There's the amount of the transaction. Got that. And there's the fee. Going to hold the button down for a second. And then it wants the double confirmation of both the transaction and the fee. There it goes. Sign the transaction. All right. And we got the trade in progress now. Looking good. Now I can view the progress if I want to. See what happens there. Probably take me to a different interface there. Okay, so it's waiting exchange. So I've confirmed it on my end, and the exchange is received my request for the transfer of the Bitcoin over to my Litecoin address, and so we'll see what happens. So let's go back over here, and we can see that the transaction is still in progress. Let's go back over here to assets and see if things have changed. All right, so I have less Bitcoin now. All right, so I sent the $17.93 worth of Bitcoin. Let's take a look at our Litecoin now. and you can see we've got more Litecoin. It's just pending. It's not totally confirmed yet. It's coming in. So as you can see, I probably wasted a little bit of fees and on this small demo transaction, but it's just a demo. Okay, looks like it totally confirmed now. So that's good. So we basically traded a little bit of Bitcoin for Litecoin on the Shapeshift platform, and we used our KeepKey to verify and sign the transaction, and very safe and secure. All right, so let's try another one. All right, so it looks like when I use this platform that it doesn't look like it's allowing me to send to any external addresses. I mean, otherwise it would be asking me what address I want to send to. So in this case, if I choose ETH and run this up, it just says trade, right? It doesn't ask me which ETH address it wants me to send to. It's just going to send to the ETH address of my KeepKey. I seem to remember Shapeshift would ask you for receiving address, but I guess that was a little complicated. So now it's just doing wallet-to-wallet transactions, which is fine. It's a good platform for trading, but choices of cryptocurrencies are somewhat limited, right? You're only dealing with the small number of cryptocurrencies that are supported by the KeepKey. As you can see here, I can only choose to trade amounts that I have balances in. And as we saw earlier, the KeepKey only holds about 8 different cryptocurrencies. So on the trade side, you only have about 8 cryptocurrencies that you can deal with. And then on the ETH side, I have a wallet in my KeepKey already set up for ETH. So I'll go ahead and do this trade so we can see what happens. But I'm not sending to an external address. I'm going to get the KeepKey ready so I can show you what's going on. I'm going to hit trade. All right, and it wants me to confirm the amount of the trade. I have to hold the button in for a second or two. It wants me to confirm the fee. All right, and then it signs the transaction and sends it out. All right, and then we can just confirm on the other end when we get it that it is has entered our KeepKey wallet. All right. We can hit view progress over here. This is just okay, so I'm sending out the Litecoin, and as you can see, the transaction is awaiting the exchange. And basically, we'll go back over here and wait. It says I can close this window while I'm waiting. And it looks like I don't know why it goes to max here. I don't know why it would. But it's going to show me in my assets that I've received some Ethereum as we're waiting. So I'll just check it out here. Oh, it says that it's all done. Let's go back over here to assets. And now we can go down to Ethereum, and it should show that we do have some Ethereum in the wallet. And this is all within the KeepKey wallet. So I can close this, and then I'll launch my KeepKey wallet. All right, and you can see there that there's an Ethereum balance now. So all of this trading is, in effect, is taking place within my own wallet. I'm just swapping one cryptocurrency for another, but it is traveling out on the blockchain. And I am getting charged a little bit of a fee on the blockchains, the respective blockchains that I'm sending back and forth on, and a small amount on the Shapeshift. So, but that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Once you got your KeepKey set up, and the transactions are verified by the KeepKey. The private key never leaves your device. So a very safe and secure way to trade cryptocurrencies using the new Shapeshift interface and your KeepKey wallet. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments. I'll do my best to get them answered. I'd like to remind everyone that I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. And if you need more personal attention, you might want to head over to my Patreon page, check it out, see if there's any tiers that meet your needs. We've got everything from commercial-free videos to group Q&As to one-on-one personal sessions. So I hope to see you over there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.